Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best garden tool bags to keep planting essentials organized and ready to use, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Glaric Gardening Tool Set 10 PCs. This 10-piece bag and tool set comes with everything a gardening newbie needs to start tilling, planting and harvesting. Tools include a transplanter, trowel, pruner, rake, weeder, weeding fork, sprayer and gardening gloves, all within a heavy-duty tote. Plus, the bag is designed to be longer than it is wide to take up less storage space, but still offer plenty of room to carry anything else you need within its central cavity. Moving on at number 4, we have the WORKPRO Garden Tool Bag. For those who have a handful of tools but no good way to keep them together, this sturdy Oxford canvas tote won't fail. It features 8 tall pockets around the perimeter of its compact 12-inch by 6-inch footprint, and the reinforced bottom prevents it from tipping if you place it down with an uneven load. As a bonus, it comes in 2 solid colors, pink and green, and 2 floral prints. Here are a few tips to keep your tools secure. At number 3, we have the Martha Stewart Heavy Duty Canvas Garden Bag. Organization is the name of the game with this Martha Stewart gardening bag. With 11 total compartments, including 6 6-inch tall exterior pockets and 2 11-inch tall interior pockets, all your tools for cultivating a garden will have a dedicated storage spot. Would you expect anything less? The long, detachable, padded shoulder strap offers an alternative to the short grab handles, and makes it more comfortable to carry with a heavy load. Bonus: these are the best garden tool organizers to keep things tidy in your garage or shed. At number 2, we have the GardenHOME Garden Tool Set. If you need both a place for all your gardening supplies and a place to sit while using them, check out this all-in-one garden bag and stool. The polyester bag comes with 5 garden hand tools and an integrated frame that folds out into a comfortable seat. The bag fully detaches, too, so you can use either the tote or seat on its own when needed. And finally at number 1, we have the Case 4 Life Handy Organizer Garden Tool Pouch. If you find yourself filling your pockets to keep your garden tools close at hand, this belted garden tool pouch should be your pick. The 5 tool pockets and 1 large zippered pocket let you stash your most frequently used gear, and the adjustable strap fits waists up to 46 inches. Heavy-duty canvas and reinforced seams ensure the product lasts a long time. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.